Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your Squarespace with Discord. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you have not already. So what you want to do is go to squarespace.com and from there go ahead and log in if you haven't. And after logging in, you can go ahead and get started opening up your site. Your site is going to go ahead and be opening up this main page where the left side of the screen you can find all the sections we can use for editing our website. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how to integrate it with Discord. Basically, Squarespace does not immediately offer a new option, a direct way to integrate with Discord. So what we can do is use a third-party tools such as Zapier. You can use whatever you prefer. Zapier is the most popular one that you can use for connecting Discord and Squarespace forms to power AI-driven automation. So what you can do is go ahead and choose a trigger and create it on Zapier so that when somebody wants to open up Discord, they are going to go ahead and be automatically going to go ahead and get the link from your Squarespace website. You can set up as many automations as you want and it's all user friendly, so you can go ahead and take a look at the tutorials if you're not sure how it works for yourself. You can go ahead and use any website. Zapier is not a mandatory website, so you can find which one works the best for you and then go ahead and integrate it directly into your Squarespace website by editing the code in. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.